Hi everyone! This is Grade 3 Math video lesson for Week 4, Day 1. So for our topic this day, we're going to study about subtraction to 100,000. Now let's take a look at what subtraction means again. Subtraction is the operation of removing objects from a collection. It also means to find the difference between two numbers or quantities. Now, whenever you have to answer a subtraction equation, it is a good thing to understand about the parts of a subtraction sentence. Now, in our example, we have 10 minus 6 equals 4. The number 10 is called the minuend. Number 6 is called subtrahend, and number 4 is called difference. The minuend, which in our example is number 10, is the number that comes first and is always the bigger number. Now subtrahend, in our example, it's number 6. This is the number subtracted from the minuend and is always the smaller number. And the difference, which in our example is number 4, is called the answer in subtraction. Now in learning subtraction, we also have keywords for problem solving that we can use. So here are some examples of subtraction keywords. We have difference, decrease, dropped, less than, take, fewer than, how many less, how much more, less, left, minus, reduce, remains, subtract, and take away. Now here are some more words that also mean subtraction. These are the examples. We have how many more, decrease, less than, take away, minus, difference, left, remains. ER words like larger, fewer, shorter, faster, longer, subtract, and how much more. Now, we have these subtraction properties of 0. These are very easy to remember. So for the first property, it tells you that the difference of any number and that same number is 0. Now if we subtract 975 to itself, 975 minus 975, the answer is 0. For the next property, it tells us that the difference of any number and 0 is the same number. So if we try to answer 2,300 minus 0, the answer is still 2,300. This is since 0 means nothing or it doesn't have any value. So the answer will be that same number. Now to help you answer subtraction equations easier, you can try to practice and remember the subtraction tables. We have the subtraction tables from 1s until 12s. Try to practice with this whenever you have the time. Now let's have a short subtraction practice. Let me show you some easy subtraction equations and you can try to think of the answer for them. For the first one, 10 minus 3, the answer is 7. You have 9 minus 5 equals 4. How about 8 minus 8? This is equal to 0. We have 7 minus 1. The answer is 6. We have 6 minus 3. The answer is 3. We have 20 minus 4. The answer is 16. Now how about 20 minus 8 equals 12. We have 18 minus 10. The answer is 8. How about 15 minus 13? The answer will be 2. And 17 minus 6? The answer is 11. 19 minus 14 equals 5. And for the last one, you have 14 minus 5 equals 9. Now that you had a short practice for subtraction, let's continue with subtraction without regrouping. Now this will be our example. We have 57,682 minus 34,152. Now how are we going to answer this column subtraction without regrouping? The first step will be to subtract the digit from ones place. So if you remember the lesson about place value of numbers, we will use it in doing our column subtraction. We always have to start subtracting from ones place. And in our example, the number 2 and 2 belongs to ones place. So you have 2 minus 2, the answer is 0. The next thing we will do is to keep subtracting the digit from the next place values moving left. So after ones place, again that's 2 minus 2 equals 0. We will now move to the next place value, which is tens. For tens place, we have 8 minus 5. The answer is 3. Next to tens place, we have hundreds place. That's 6 minus 1. The answer is 5. Next to hundreds place, we now move on to thousands place. 7 minus 4. The answer is 3. Now for our last step, we have to subtract the digit from the last place value moving left. So again, let's take a look at that one more time. 2 minus 2 from ones place is 0. Tens place, 8 minus 5 is 3. Hundreds place, 6 minus 1 is 5. Thousands place, 7 minus 4 is 3. Now the last place value is 10,000s place. You have 5 minus 3 equals 2. And also, don't forget to write a comma on the final answer. Now whenever you have to write the comma, it should be after 3 digits. So digits of ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, and now 10,000s. For our final answer, the number is 23,530. Also, remember to write and subtract the numbers according to their place value. Again, start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and then 10,000s. Now that you do understand the lesson about subtraction without regrouping, you can now try to answer this drill. Subtract the following numbers. For letter A, you have 9,576 minus 5,163. For letter B, you have 98,646 minus 17,125. Now let's see what you need to answer for letter C. You have 64,209 minus 31,104. And for the last equation, letter D, answer this. 59,385 minus 32,043. Try to think of your answer and remember the steps that we just studied a while ago. Try to think of your answers. And when you are ready, we can now see and find out if your answers are correct. Now here are the correct answers. So for letter A, again, we always have to start subtracting from the place value of ones. That's 6 minus 3. The answer is 3. Moving on, now we subtract from the place value of tens. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Now let's go to hundreds place. That's 5 minus 1. The answer here is 4. And for the last one, subtract thousands place. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Also, don't forget to write your comma after 3 digits. The digits from ones, tens, hundreds, and then comma, and then thousands. For our final answer, the number is 4,413. Now let's see the answer for letter B. For letter B, starting from ones place, 6 minus 5, the answer is 1. Moving on to tens place, we have 4 minus 2. The answer is 2. Now let's go to hundreds place. That will be 6 minus 1. The answer is 5. How about thousands place? You have 8 minus 7. The answer is 1. And for the last place value, you have 10 thousands place. 9 minus 9 minus 1. The answer is 8. Also, you need to write the comma. But the final answer reads as 81,521. Now, are you ready to find out the answer for letter C? Starting from the place value of ones, 9 minus 4 equals 5. Place value of tens, that's 0 minus 0. The answer is also 0. For hundreds place, we have 2 minus 1. The answer is 1. Now for thousands place, we have 4 minus 1. The answer is 3. And for the last place value, we have 6 minus 3. The answer here is, again, 3. Also, we should not forget to write our comma. Always count 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and your answer for thousands and 10,000s place. For letter C, the final answer is 33,105. Now how about for the last subtraction equation? Let's now see the correct answer. For letter D, starting from the place value of ones, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Now moving on to the place value of tens, 8 minus 4, the answer is 4. Place value of hundreds, we have 3 minus 0, the answer is 3. Now, let's see the answer for thousands place. You have 9 minus 2, the answer is 7. And for the last one, from 10,000s place, you have 5 minus 3, the answer is 2. Also, we should never forget to write our comma on the right place. Again, count 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, and 10,000s place. Final answer for letter D is 27,342. So this is where we end our lesson. I hope that you understand column addition, column subtraction without regrouping. We will continue again next time. Also, you can watch the next video on how to practice answering your workbook.